Production of high-precision mould requires a continuous evolution in manufacturing technology. NS Tool presents advanced micro-machining technology through its sophisticated products, including the small-size carbide end mill. NS Tool is a specialized manufacturer of small-size carbide end mills, featuring high accuracy, high stability, strong wear resistance, and an abundant variety of products. The NS brand has been prevailing all over the world in the production of the high-precision and micro-machining field since its foundation in 1954. Development as well as production has been enhanced by outstanding leading technology and mature experience. The CBN Super Finish Ball End Mill SFB 200. The SFB 200 has been developed targeting the super high finish process of plastic mould. A unique sharp flute design at the R center assures outstanding shearing ability and guarantees a long tool life and accurate machining. The CBN Super Speed Ball End Mill SSB 200. The SSB 200 has made it possible to choose the same cutting condition as a carbide tool by having an improved chip disposal. The SSB 200 has a highly efficient end mill featuring a long tool life of CBN and flexible usability of carbide. NS Tool developed the world's smallest end mill, Micro Edge. By employing super micro grain carbide material, the utmost tolerance of Flute ±2 micrometers has been achieved. 12 items from 0.01mm to 0.09mm in diameter are standardized for stock production to respond to the market demand. The NSME series is creating a new demand for a micro-machining field. As a leading manufacturing company of carbide end mill, NS Tool promises to challenge and develop the cutting edge of products in the forefront of technology.